Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Realme 9 Pro Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. So I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, we need to take the cover off if you have. So just take the cover off, it's too easy to do. Then insert one part of the brush into the connector. And just pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.